All right, so in supplement to the beautiful diagram Mo brought us, we also ordered the classiccarwiring.com full color harness, and it's 2 pages, and this page actually has all the auxiliary stuff on the back as well.
Which is really, really good.
Yeah, so you could rule the world with these two.
Yes, well, anybody who's got a C3.
Well, they got them year by year, but yeah, exactly.
But in general, they didn't change much of the wiring from in the C3s.
When they changed the cluster, they did.
Yeah, which was really about it.
But look at that.
Absolutely gorgeous.
Wiring fun. So, with that, and the crappy ones that came with the actual electrical, and everything we have, and the notes, whew, baby, it's been crazy. All right, so through the windshield is probably the best way to show most of this, so I can actually see what we're talking about. We've got pretty much all of our center gauges wired up to the factory wire that they're supposed to go to, or the wire from the sending unit that came into the what is this, the Intella, whatever it is, kit. So IntelliGauge or what's it, who's it's. I got a couple more grounds to wire up. I have our keyed hots, or these pinks. There's 3 pinks, 1, 2, 3. Those need to go to a keyed accessory 12 volt. So those will be soldered together into a wire with a spade that'll go into the factory fuse block. And we're ready to roll there. So that'll be good. Get that done and handled. That purple wire laying right here, that, and the purples off the other 2 clusters, here and here, they need to come off and go into the headlamp switch off the marker light circuit. So it will know it's a trigger which will dim the LEDs in the gauges themselves, so the actual LED gauges. It'll dim them 50%. Get that done. So that'll be good when you turn the headlights on. You don't wire that into the rheostat itself, but with the rheostat, we're actually going to use on our 2 main gauges the 4 factory LED lights, or the factory lights rather, and we have red LEDs that are going to be dimmable, so we'll get a little more accent, a little backup lighting, so to speak, in there. It'll look good. Before I continue in here, I do need to do the wiring for our speed sensor. So I'm going to put about 8 feet of each color on here, because this needs to go in the speedo hole on the trans, like the speedometer drive. So we'll get that in and done. That'll be ready to go. That problem will be solved. I also need to run tack signal. Oh, hey, I'm just shooting a video. Oh. Come on in.
Well, I've only got a quick second because I got to go to the other job.
Oh, yeah, I'm just shooting a video. Not a nudie.
Ooh, well, come on. We got to make money somewhere.
Yeah, so Scotty and I just got back from the chiropractor. We feel better now. Oh, man, he's drinking electrolyte Gatorade. Nice. I was just talking about, I'm going to put about 8 feet on all these, so we have them.
Okay.
Run it up, terminate it, make it nice. And I was discussing, I got to run our tack signal wire, which is easy peasy right here.
Right.
Just got to find the brown in the factory on this side. Snippy, done deal. But that's 98%. So I'm going to stay here for 40 minutes.
I'll say, well, you've already gotten a lot of time in on it today. I mean...
Yeah, from 10 till 2:45, minus the half hour for lunch. Yeah. And then now. So, yeah, we're kicking ass over here.
Kicking ass and taking names.
All right, we'll see you in a bit. See you tomorrow.
See you mañana.
See you in the morning. Ooh, well, mid-morning.
Yeah.
All right, let's get stuff done. It's tack signal, speedo, power, and I think the right turn signal. That's about the only other thing I got to wire up. So, coming along.